Edit photos with one click without using Photoshop. Cost. The cost of professional photo editing tool is very expensive. If you are editing a photo once in a while, you don't have to pay a fortune. You can use a budget-friendly editing tool to get the same results. Complicated professional photo editing tools usually have endless menus and options that require long training to get full control. Using the tool I'm going to introduce to you, it requires only one click. Long process. To get the best results with professional photo editors needs long process that takes time. With Sharpen Project Professional, it's only one click. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your photos look better fast. When using Sharpen Project Professional, what you need to do is actually to get a picture, just drop it on the black screen, then automatically you'll see the picture here. And then what you're gonna do is actually click on the set automatically, then it does all the work, it checks everything and start processing. Now this is actually the picture after the processing, but here we can look at the before picture and the after picture, so you can see the big difference from the left side, which is the before the processing, and the right side when it's after processing. Let's take another example and let's drop this picture here. No, then it'll just go and do it. This is very nice picture, and I'm gonna click on set automatically. Start the processing, and then we get a very nice edited picture, which we can see the difference from the left side to the right side. Okay, now let's try another one. Let's click on this one, and here, yeah, this is a nice picture. Just drop it here. I'm not gonna save it. Alright, now we got the picture here, and then we click on set automatically and the process starts. Only one click, everything is very fast, and then here we can see the difference. Click the link at the bottom of this video to get your free trial and check it out.